Just popping in to say hi. Thanks and welcome to a Shozy Z production. Hi there, friends. Hi there, friends. It's Shozy. I started before the video started. Anyway, I'm doing a little opening. It's a small little package, and it's from Carmens Doll Creations. She's on Etsy. I was just showing you my Kodiak cakes brownie mix. I haven't done those yet. I keep meaning to, but it's so hot. I don't want to turn the oven on, you know? It's like, ugh. And we're getting humidity here. I'm off topic. I rabbit trail a lot, if you notice. We get a lot, we're getting a lot of humidity, like I think yesterday when I was working. I was talking to one of my client's sons, and he said, yeah, it's humid. I'm like, so I looked at the humidity index, and it was 28%. I'm like, this is unusual for where we live. We don't get humidity here. We live in a desert, you know? So it's like, why is it humid? It's so weird. So anyway, okay, that's off topic. Anyway, so that's why I haven't made these yet. They're still sitting here, and I really would like to make these brownies because I actually have all the ingredients to make them, which is highly unusual as well. All right, so as soon as I put them back in my cupboard, that'll be it. You won't see them again, and I won't be making them. Okay, so isn't this cute? I love it when I put thank yous on mine too, but she's got special thank yous. I don't know what it says. I can't read it. Most made. Oh, okay. Something made with love. Handmade with love. Okay, see, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see anything. And it's not that I'm old either. It's just because I have optic neuritis, so I can't see anything. I have scar tissue on one of my optic nerves. Okay, so I can't see a thing. Like, I can get my right eye, I can put makeup on my right eye. My left eye, I have to guess if I've got makeup on it. And I can't tell unless I open both eyes, and it's like, oh, totally, no, overshot that one. It's exciting putting eyeliner and stuff like that on that eye. Eyeshadow's not so bad, but eyeliner, oh, that's always a journey, let me tell you. And I am an eyeliner fanatic, so. Okay, so here we go. And she sent me some little extras. She was so sweet. I really like her. Oh my gosh, I love her business card already. Oh, I love dolls with colored hair. I don't care what anybody says. Everybody wants to go back to all natural. It's like, yeah, you guys go back to all natural. I'm doing the colors. I like colors. So they're so pretty. So anyway, okay. Aren't they pretty? They're pretty. Boop, 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 boop. All right. Oh, she sent me oh my gosh, Minnie Mouse. Oh, I love Minnie and Mickey. And I'm a closet Minnie and Minnie liker because I really don't want to come out of the closet and say, I love Minnie and Mickey, because I'm just quietly liking them, you know. But I really, really like Minnie and Mickey. I really do, and I just don't want to tell everybody that I like them. But this is so adorable. I've been collecting little things for my reborns, like Minnie and Mickey things, and they're so super cute. Oh my gosh, and I love these. This is the coolest little flowery. It's a clip for their hair, and I've seen these many times. I think I have like one or two other ones for my reborns that are bigger. I don't have one this small, and I totally love them. And it's just like, where do people find these? Because these are so awesome. I want them for my hair. I have doll envy. All right. Oh my gosh, she sent me something else. What is this? This is so cool. Oh, it almost looks like a peacock. Oh, is it a bee? If it's I don't care if it's a bee or a peacock. I'll take both. It's so cool. I like it. Whatever it is, it's pretty cool. Looks like kind of like, it does look like a peacock, doesn't it, to you guys? I'm looking at it. You're not looking at it. With a crown on, doesn't it? It's so cool. I like it. And I'm not a huge red person, but because I can see red better nowadays, the brighter colors I can see really well. And like my curtains, I made these years and years ago out of, believe it or not, dish towels. And of course I painted and they're dusty, sorry. I need to take them down and rewash them. But I made them years and years ago for my studio. So I took them down, and they're in my kitchen now. just because they're fun, and they remind me of Mary Engelbreit. She's one of my favorite artists. So, and she's so fun and, you know, just frivolous, but and like vintagey, you know. But this is an outfit for Kanani, because not Kanani, guys, they're both Hawaiian, for Nanea, because Nanea doesn't really have any outfits. She has like maybe 2 outfits, and she's really limited, poor kid. So she really needed an outfit, and this was a super good price. And it was really hard for me to decide in her store what I wanted to buy. And I knew I was limited by budget, because I've still got that looming toilet install over my head, so I need to pay that off. So as soon as I get the toilets paid off, then I have one other bill to pay, and then finally I'll be able to breathe and just put my money toward, you know, like my student loan and things like that, toward regular things, quit buying doll things, like that's ever going to happen. But anyway, maybe when I'm dead and gone. But this is so cute, and I love that it's lined. Isn't it pretty? And the little floofy, you know, sleeve. Yes, that's the word. I have word finding issues too. It's the medication that I take for my migraines. When it's too much of it, when the dosage is too high, my word finding skills go out the window. It's like, I had a thought, I had a word, don't know where it's at now. So I have to be very cautious and cognizant of that. I'm pretty sure it has nothing to do with the lesions on my brain. I'm pretty sure it just has, which are caused by the migraines. We're pretty sure that it's just see, it's just the medication. But this is so, isn't it intricate? I love it. It's so fun. It's just so adorable. I would totally wear something like this, maybe with a pair of tights, because I've gotten older, and with some really cool little heels or shoes or something like that. I used to have these really cool little cat shoes that were red, and they had little cat faces on them. That would have been adorable with this. But okay, I just really wanted to show you this, and her little fun gifts, because I never do opening videos, and I will try to insert a picture of Nanea with this on, because she will look adorable in it. Okay. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye. This is such an adorable outfit. Sorry I had to listen to all my blather earlier. Gosh, when I'm filming, I just rabbit trail. I really do like the mini shirt. It's so adorable. And check my IG page for Nanea in this outfit, because first I have to find Nanea. She's in a box, because I keep boxing up all of my dolls. I'm really getting bad. Thank you for watching, you guys, first of all, and for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe, because you know you want to. And for those of you guys who have guys, gals, and theys that have subscribed, thank you so much. You guys are awesome, all of you. I say guys as a general term, you know, because I used to call my dad Guy, and his dog, I used to call his dog Guy too, so it's just a general term with me. All right, so thank you for subscribing. You guys are awesome. I'm going to tell you that right now. Thank you for leaving prudent comments. You're the best for leaving nice comments. If you do leave comments, I appreciate that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is coming up. And just stay cool, because it's so bloody hot out there. We're melting. All right, take care.